Yes. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed, right? So we have a different environment, development environment, and we having the testing environment, staging environment, and production environment, right? So so where we can identify the defect in development phase only, right? Or development phase only. While developing the application, developer is also doing the unit testing, right? Again, it will go in the tester. The tester will test the application. Tester is testing the application is not like the we having the more and more defect. All the defect, high level of the defect, developer is doing fix, because we having the high level defect means your application completely, if you will hit the enter in the url, then what will happen? Your application is not working. Like, I'll give you one example. I can, or you can take, like, this is the Facebook page or something, like this is one blog, right? Or here, see, blog is not found, so this is the negative testing. Okay, I have enter wrong url, but sometime what will happen for high level of defect, if you will enter your proper url, it is not working properly. Got it, right? It is not working properly. So that is high level of the defect the developer will fix only, because your application will not sorry, application will not launch here, then how you can test it, right? So this type of the defect developer is fixing over there, right? So this the things I already discussed in the last session, right? So what is software testing? Testing a method to check whether the actual product matches as a expected requirement or not, or ensure that it must be a defect free, right? So yesterday everything I have explained to you. Manual testing means we are doing testing manually. We are not using any tools here, right? We are not using any tools. So how the manual testing will start? So what happened, the tester prepare the test plan document. So we are not preparing. Okay, so team lead or manager is preparing this plan, test plan document. As per the test plan document, manual testing process to finding the defect or bug, as per the you can tell FRS, functional requirement document. Today I will teach you, when I will start you software development life cycle, then you will get the testing process. What is the testing process, right? So here we have what we are going to do in this method. Tester play an important role for end user and verify that all the features of the application are working correctly, right? So everything same thing I have documented here. What is your job? Okay, and I told you, right? Every software company tester is required, and product based company is looking for very good, you have a very good knowledge in manual testing. So manual testing is the first phase where the more possibility to finding the defect. Okay, in automation we cannot find 100% defect, and we cannot automate 100%. So manual testing is very important. So that thing I have documented here. Okay, so I have shown you this page, customer expectation, but we found the defect. Then again I have given just example for the Amazon. Actually defect is not there in Amazon, just I have given one example, right? This hello sign in our account and list is not working properly as per customer requirement. The customer is trying to click over there, but it is not working as per expected. So next we having the software development life cycle, right? So yesterday just I have given one introduction regarding this software development life cycle, right? So we having the planning or requirement gathering, right? So this is your TCS company, and one is your Amazon. Okay, got it, right? So this is the client and this is the software company. Both are software companies. See, one is your product based company and one is your, this is your product based company and this is your service based. So TCS is providing service to Amazon, right? So Amazon has given one project to TCS guy. So I am going to explain you complete development, right? So what is the uh, project is having the healthcare domain related, where we can, customer will buy the online medicine and they're having the many features, like they can connect with the online appointment with the doctors and all, right? So this is the healthcare domain one project. Amazon is given to TCS people. So what this guy, so here we have a both people. One is the TCS people and one is your Amazon people. Okay, so they will discuss. Okay, so both are the business analyst. They will understand the requirement. This TCS people will understand the requirement. Here I have written planning, requirement planning or gathering. Okay, they will, so what he will gather all this, uh, requirement from the Amazon. Then after that, this TCS guy, so they will connect, always they having the meeting with them, and what the TCS people have done and what is the planning budget and all, everything they will discuss. Okay, from here only. Okay, so they will discuss from here. Then this TCS guy will do analysis. Okay, after that we having the analysis page. So whatever they have, this guy has given Amazon people the requirement, they will do analysis. Here the system analyst and project manager is there, what is the requirement. Okay, so they are analyzing this all the requirement. These guys will analyze, and after that, after analyzing all the, might be something is like, requirement is not a clear and all, while analysis, again they will connect to Amazon people. Hey, this is the doubt and what is the requirement as per mentioned in the document. Could you make a one meeting, or could you set the one meeting for understanding one more time your requirement? So this communication will happen. This communication will happen always. Okay, so now after analysis, then we having the system analyst, project manager. So what this guy will do? Project manager, what is the job of project manager? Project manager job is, they will also, make a one, plan or one team. Okay, the project manager job is how to start the project. So what is the job for this project manager? So one big, this is the one, product or one project is there. Then here they need the resources. 20 resources is required for this project. So they will also, in analysis and planning, they will also define which technology they are using and all, right? Right, so everything